Alright, so what you're looking at here is the 9 boxes that comprise the Westside 2.0 bench from Rogue. I didn't see anything on the internet or on YouTube on how to put it together, so I'm going to unbox everything and we're going to put it together and we're going to show you what we think of the Rogue Westside Bench 2.0. Now I just want to say that I ordered this bench kit essentially, and at the time of ordering it said it was going to take 14 to 30 days to ship. I guess with all the demand for exercise equipment, it wound up actually taking 60 days, 2 full months before it actually got to me. And like I said, they didn't all come at the same time. They came over the course of a week. Alright, so everything's unboxed. We got the Thompson fat pad, the 4 uprights, got the bench supports, cross members. Let's go ahead and try to get it all put together and see what we can do about that pile of boxes. Alright, so we unboxed all the hardware, and it looks like all we're going to really need is a 15/16 wrench and a socket. I'm using that impact driver just for speed things up a little bit. Ready to go now. So let's follow the directions. Step 1, build the side frames using the uprights and the side cross members. So we're going to just step right through this, step 1. So there you go, we got the 4 uprights and the side cross members. I got everything positioned where it should be, so we're going to do what step 1 says, and that's build these side members first. So just let's get to it. Alright, I just want to point out I got that all assembled. It says use the top of the 3 available mounting holes on the upright, which I did, and then do not fully tighten until the entire bench is assembled. And we're moving on to step 2, which says build the cage using the side frame, front and rear cross members, secure using the bolts, rear hardware installed reverse from the front, yada yada yada. So that's the next step, and there she is assembled. Let's go ahead and get on with that. Alright, getting there, getting closer. So now we're moving on to step 3, and it says attach spine and front pad support. So I think they mean attached, but throughout these instructions they say attached. So maybe somebody at Rogue should take a look at that. It's probably because it was written by somebody from China, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, there's a picture of what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and get to it. Got that done. So here we are next, step 4. Getting there, almost done. Attach the spotter plates. There they say attached again. I think they mean attach spotter plates to the rear cross member. So I did get the spotter plates, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, hopefully you've made it this far. Thanks for sticking with me. Here we are at step 5, where all we have to do now is attach the pad. This time, instead of saying attached, it says attach the Thompson fat pad using the 3/8 bolts. The center hole is the standard location. The pad can be adjusted front to rear as desired by using other mounting holes. I'm going to go ahead and go with the standard hole and see center hole and see what I think about it. So there's the diagram. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so it looks like it's all put together. Let's go ahead and tighten it up. And I had to move it around a little bit. I think it works a little bit better in the space like this. Stick with me. All right, final wrap up on the Rogue Westside bench 2.0. Really nice bench. Got it looking level front to back there. Got it looking level side to side. And can't wait to use this thing. That fat pad is exactly that. It's fat. I love it. Anyway, one little issue putting it together. Just pay attention to what you're doing. You can see the front is 1, 2, 3 in the 4th hole. The back, in order to be level, is 1, 2, 3 in the 3rd hole. So don't let that throw you. Thought I was doing it right, and I wound up putting it together wrong, so I had to take it back apart. But again, on the front, 1, 2, 3, 4th hole. The back, 1, 2, 3, 3rd hole. And then that's how you get your pad nice and level. And I'm psyched. Let me know what you think if you get one, or if you have one. All right, let's give it a shot.